In this video, we are going to learn how to use the animation and the other properties of the animation. And one of the most thing is media queries for the front end developer. It will be most useful for the making their landing pages or whatever the work they are having. They can make with this one. So first, we will learn how to use the keyframes, or we can say animation. For the animation, we need to learn the things. It is animations is also known as keyframes. First, I will teach you one by one div, and for this div, we will provide one class as box, and then uh, we will take that class as box. I will pass width. Okay, we have made here one small mistake. Width is to 800 pixel, height is to 600 pixel. Okay, then we need to add one position is to relative, so that in maybe it will help not helpful currently, but behind the screen it will be helpful lot. Background color is to aqua. Then animation name we need to add. After adding the animation, we will do that one. So how to write that animation? First, we need to learn at the rate keyframe keyframes. Okay, keyframes. Then add uh, give a name particular to. Then that identifier in the sense we need to provide one something name, that either whatever you want you can give what the name. I will give it as a bit by bit code. Okay, bit by bit code. Like this I have given. Whatever you want you can give, but the thing is we need to understand it. So basically it will start with 0. From 0, what do you need to do? Initially 0 in the sense from starting point we can say left is to 0. Okay, and background color is to something. I will give it as a blue. Okay, and then apart from that, at 100% when it reaches what you want to do at that time. In between also you can give it as a 50%. That also you can give. Background color is to red. Okay, then left is to uh, some in the pixel I will give at 400 pixel. I can say. Then left is to that it can update that up to particular content. 800 pixel, not 800 pixel, it will not get to see. I will make it as to 700 pixel. And background color is to violet. Now these are the things we have added, and now we will see how inside our port how it will be done looked. Okay, we added, and then by default whatever we have added it is looking like that. Then here we need to add that animation in the sense whatever that animation name is there, we need to provide that one. Bit by bit code whatever we have given here, copy that exact name, so that it should not mismatch with somewhere else. Copy, paste. Then what you need to do in within the 7 seconds, I want to make it as previously in the previous video we have seen the transition property. It is the overcome of the transition property as animations, so that it will make uh, easier to us. And if you want to make it as only for one time, then give nothing to it. Then infinite alternate in the sense it will roam here and there. See, the size is little bit more big. I will reduce this to 100 pixel. 100 pixel. Okay, now you can see blue, red, something color is getting uploaded to that one. See, and the blue color, red color, The color is changing according to the things. And here we have given the ease. So ease in the sense what it will do, I will show you. Okay, that is not displaying. So ease in the sense what it will do, it will ease in and out. That means first it will go a little bit slow, then see here. Now it was fast, then it got slow, then again it got slow fast. See here, it has came fast but slow. See, now it's fast. Then again it will go little bit slow. See, this is the known as little bit fast for ease in, ease out. Like those things, it is known as these things. Then we are going to study how to use the media queries. I will keep the same class name. Okay, I'll remove this one key animation, and then height I will provide as 800, 600. Position is to relative, and then background color, and I will remove this animation. Then apart from that one, next we are having at the rate media. So at the rate media, open the curly braces, no, in this in circle braces. Then max width, up to what width we need, up to max width. Max width in the sense up to this is the last portion of that width. Here sometimes it will not give the uh, suggestions. So try to write by yourself only. 600 pixels, I can say. So I am giving the just example. Based on this one, you can learn many things and make your own responsiveness pages. I will try to give one make one project in this video upcoming in the upcoming videos. You can learn from that videos. I will give width, then height is to 200 pixel, then background color is to brown or something else, and I will increase this 400. Okay, then I will go to this one and then I will reload once. So now it is what you can see means by default whatever you have given it is for the this one. But suppose as a front end developer you need to make the things for the separate screen. This is for the desktop you have created already. By default it is getting created. So what if I'm using the same website inside my mobile or in the tab or in my Apple phone or in Samsung folding phone. So whatever the phone I may use, but the thing is the whatever you are creating that should be visible for the all the devices. In the sense you are creating once that should be useful for the multiple ones. Suppose you have created a big project or something web landing page, many other things you have added. When you go to the industrial, the real things you will get to know. These are the nothing. There you will get hundreds of files, thousands of files based on your project. So what I mean to say is create like this media queries and based on that one, adjust the things. If I click on this one, responsiveness page, see here, by default, it is like this. If I go for this one, responsiveness, when it comes to this one, it is getting attracted. What I will make it as a 300 only. And then I will use one of the phone. Here you will get the phones iPhone 12 Pro. So here I am using this one. What if the size is little bit less? Then what you will do there? So I will add max width is to 300 pixel. For that only it will apply it. I will add it as 400. Now you can see less than 400 screen width. Those who are having they will apply this one. Those who are having big screen they will apply this one. Like this you can add max width is to 400. I will show you the multiple examples. Okay, like this. If it is, I will change the color so that you can understand it properly. given green, blue, and brown and aqua. Now, if I change the phone, based if it is a phone is more than 400, then it will get enlarged. So something tablets are there here. Uh, I think they haven't provided iPad mini. See here. If I have changed the color, it is more than 600, 700, 600 it is. So up to 600, 500 to 600 in between whatever the colors are there, it will get adapted by this one. The 400 to 500, it will adopt this one. Under the 400, all will adopt this one. So what if it is more than 600, then it will adopt this one. You can see this one. If I'm using the tablet or mini, iPad, Air, something. You got to know what I mean to say here, how it will works. If I change the thing, it will get the color. So this is how the media query will works, and this is the last video of the CSS. And if you are having any doubts, comment inside the video sections. And we are having one many things like variable and opacity in the sense it will make it as a little bit light or blur, we can say. See, the color is little bit dark here. It is little bit dark. If I add the opacity is generally from 1 to 0 to -1. Okay, now we can see this one how it is working. If I add it as 1, then it is natural. And if I add 0.1%, see, you can see this one, it is got blurred. If I can make it as completely invisible, like thing means completely I can erase it. A -1, if I add, nothing is there. If I add 0.9, it will be there, but little bit less, I can say. -1 to 0.1, like this, it is there. So 0.1 is the so much less. If you increase the this one, it will also get increased. You can directly increase from here also. Zero point 0.1, zero point 0.2, 0.1, like up to this one you can increase. And then we are having opacity, we have got to know. Then visibility, if the box is less than this one, I will make it as visibility is to hidden. Okay, see here, nothing is there. Visible is to hidden. Hidden in the sense it will not take any space also. We are having visibility is to hidden and visibility is to hidden and visibility is to visible. And then opacity is to zero point 0.1 to 0 to 1. Up to this much only it is having 0.1, 0.2. If you make it as -1, then it will be nothing. Okay, you got to know how to use this one. And apart from this one, we are having one variable I have told. I will teach you directly, direct. This take instead of giving the color in multiple cases, suppose in the landing pages they will not give everywhere the different colors. They will maintain this root in the sense variable. What they will do inside this one, they will keep this one root. Root is to where inside this one, where I will make it as okay, primary text. Then you need to provide that color. No, I have made a many mistake. Copy this one, just root, then paste here. When color red, and then wherever you want, you can use it directly. I will show you one example also for that. H1 is to hello. Inside the H1, I will add this color. By default, nothing is there. But if you want to apply that color is to how you can apply. I will show you color is to where that primary text. See here, color got applied. So in this video, we have learned root in the sense variables, visibility, opacity, and animation, media queries, and lot of things. So if you are beginner, study these things too much hard, because when you go to developer mode inside the company, then it will be too much difficult for you. If you don't understand this concept, then it is nothing there. And they are having lot of projects, and they will tell you to make a landing page within a day, and that should be responsiveness. So my thing is, you should be capable to do these things. Thanks for watching the video.